No matter it is Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, you have to create shorts to make your brand. And if you don't know how to create shorts, then watch this video, because today I'm going to tell how you can create shorts in just 5 minutes using AI tools. Hi, I am Sandeep Misra. I'm techie helping businesses to grow using AI automation. So let's get started. So the first tool we are going to use, that is ChatGPT. So let me share my screen, and here you can see I'm on ChatGPT screen. If you don't know how to reach there, it's very easy. Go on Google and type ChatGPT, and the first link you can see, that is OpenAI. OpenAI is parent company of ChatGPT. Click this link, and here you can see try ChatGPT. It will take you on the ChatGPT screen. You need to log in. If you don't have login, use your Google login, and then you will land on this screen. So as I'm going to write a script for short video, I will write a 20-second, because I don't want a big video, and that's why we will write 20-second short video script for digital process automation. So let's see what's coming. So you can see it's writing a script like voice over and this and that. So let me copy, and now my script is ready. So the next tool we are going to use, that is Pictory.ai. So you can open Pictory.ai. So, and there you can log in using your Google login, and then you will land on app.pictory.ai, and this kind of screen you can see. The first box you can see, that is script to video. We have a script and we are going to generate video, and that's why we will use this pop. If you have article, you have blog, and you want video, based on that you can use this box. You want to edit videos using text, you can use this. Visuals to video, you can use this box. So we are going to use first box. So I will click here, and then I will paste my content, and we need to remove everything from here. So I will remove this, and then I will also remove, then add a full stop. Why I am adding full stop, I will tell you after some time. So this is what I have for my screens. Why I added all these line breaks, because here you can see in setting auto highlights keywords. So keywords will be auto highlighted, and again we have auto visual selections, and here we have create new screen on line break or full stop. So we are using both. So in both cases we will create a new screen. So I am selecting that, and then we will click on proceed. Here you need to select a kind of screen you want for your short video, and the important point you need to consider here, that is the kind of highlights you have. Here you have the red, here you have yellow, and then here you can see like the little bit dark and then colorful highlights and all. But I think this will be quite more highlighted, or this one. So I'm going to use this one, and then I need to select the ratio, kind of ratio I'm going to use for my video. 16:9 or 9:16, both for mobile. So I'm going to use this one, and then continue. So it will take few seconds, and after that you can see all Yes. So now it's getting ready, and yeah, and here you can see the first screen is quite similar. The visuals selected by this AI is quite similar to the my topic. I'm using digital process automation, and you can see the videos behind that quite robotic and all those kind of things. So that is what I was looking for, and that's why it's quite useful, because you don't have to be worried about that which kind of videos you are going to use in your screens. So you can select a screen, and after that you can see you have visuals. So if you want to change visuals, you don't want this visual and you want any other visual, you can select from here. So I might can use this. So this is how you can select, and then you will have, apart from that, you can drag this video here and there, and then you can have the right portion of this video in your shot. Then we have elements. Under elements, if you want to add some emojis, GIF, and stickers, you can add. Because I'm creating a professional video, so these things are not very relevant to my video, and that's why I'm not going to add that. Then we have audio. In audio, you can add background music, and also you can add voiceover. You can upload your own music and apply. So I'm going to use voiceover, and I will use a kind of Indian English. So that is Aditi. I will apply, and then text. So if you want to add some text, like for example, I'm going to add this, and thanks for watching. And here I'm going to apply a text, that is, so I will write for my branding. So I will write www.stwautomation.com, and then I will properly align it. Then I will drag it below the lower part of the screen. So this is how you can add extra text on every screen if you want. Then you can apply the, if I want to apply this, I will apply thanks for watching, this kind of things, and then I can move. So I will move this here. So this is how we can have our end screen. Then we can add branding. If you want to upload your logo, so let me go back and find my company logo. I will upload my logo here. So on for every screen, you can use all these options to style, to add voice, to add text, to add your brand. Now again we will select the first screen, and we will select text, and then you can see we have these kind of styles: bold, italic, underline, and then we have the kind of font size you want. And from here you can left align, right align, center align, and right align. Then you can use text color, you can use text shadow, and this is the very important, like you want your text should be in middle, you will use this. And then we have animations. So which kind of animations you want, you can add based on that. So I'm going to use typewriter, and then you can save this. It's giving, so let me select again, and then you can save this style as a like any name you can give, digital process style. So I'm going to save this, and later on whenever I want this kind of style, like middle aligned and this kind of uh, animations and all, I will just go in style and use that style. I don't have to work on each and every screen. And also here you can see, like here we have the middle align, then here we have bottom align. And So you can see on every screen we have different kind of things. We select this. I take this one. So I will go again back in visuals and use. I can use this. So again you can select this and you can select this text and use apply to all. Once you will use apply to all, on every screen you can see text are middle aligned and also center aligned, and that is what you can do using apply all. So you will work on one screen is style and then you can use apply all and it will apply to every screen. So that is what we have here. You can create a style for one screen and then you can apply for every screen. You can save your style as well, and also you can use these kind of formats. So once your video is okay, you think that this is now quite okay to go with, you can click on preview and it will take few seconds, and after that you can see your preview video. And here it is. So it's loading. Few seconds total.
With digital process automation. Are you tired of wasting time on manual, repetitive tasks? Digital process automation can help. Streamline your workflow and increase efficiency with TPA. Try digital process automation today. Thanks for watching.
So this is how in 5 minutes you can create your own video. And this is not only for like the business owners. If you are a content creator, any kind of your own videos, your own shorts, you can use and apply text, and you will have a very good, a very appealing short for your content. If everything is okay, you can click on download and then video, and it will take few seconds, and after that your video will be ready, which you can upload on Instagram, YouTube or Facebook. So today we learned how you can create your short video in just 5 minutes and create your own brand. So if you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel. So whenever I will upload this kind of video, you will get notification. With this, I'm going to end this video. This is Sandeep Misra signing out till we meet again.